Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D1, chapter number 5, exercise 5A, that is about the linear equations and inequalities. In this class, students will be learning and discussing question number 12, exercise 5A, intermediate level. And this lesson I'm making on the special demand of some of my junior students and friends who requested me to discuss question number 12 in one of the class. So the question which is under discussion today is saying that by showing your working clearly, verify, okay, if x equals to 19 by 20 is the solution of the equation 2x minus 3 by 4 equals to 1 over 3x plus 5 by 6. Okay, in this class, I'll be going really slow because I'm making this lesson for class 6, 7 students. So they can find this question difficult. So first of all, students, we have to read the question carefully. Question says, by showing the working, means we have to provide the working clearly. And we have to verify, we have to show, we have to prove that if x equals to 19 by 20 is the solution, here the term solution is also important, solution of this equation or not. First of all, we have to understand that what is the meaning of the term solution. Solution, okay, you must have read the question, exercise 5A, question number 1 that says solve each of the following equations. So solution or solve, what does the term solution or solve means? It's really important to understand the important terms of the question. Solution means to find the value of the variable of that question, and we know that the variables are in form of the English letters. Solution means to find the value of the variable of that question. Okay, if I'm solving this equation, what we have to do is that we have to shift a to other side, and I will have x equals to 15 minus 8, and which will give me x equals to 7. It means that when I'm solving the equation x plus 8 equals to 15, the solution is x equals to 7. So it means that this is the value of the letter or the variable of this question. Now, if this is the solution of this equation, when I will be putting the value of the variable in the equation, if I will be able to get both the sides same, it means that this is the solution. So we can see the right hand side is already a number. Right hand side is already a number, which is 15, and the left hand side is x plus 8. Now what we are going to do, that instead of the letter, instead of the variable, I'm going to replace x by 7 plus 8, and my answer comes 7 plus 7 is 14 and 1 15. So when I'm putting the solution x equals to 7 in the given equation, my both sides are coming same. So it means that this is the correct solution. So I hope by now my students are clear that when any number is the solution of that equation, when any number is the solution of that equation, if we are replacing that value instead of the variable of that equation, we can have both the sides same. So same method, same technique we are going to apply to verify and check whether x equals to 19 by 20 is the solution of this equation or not. So first what we are going to do is that we have to take right hand side and left hand side. There are two sides of this equation. We can take any one of the sides. Suppose I'm taking this left hand side, which is equal to 2x minus 3 by 4. Now as x equals to 19 by 20 is the solution, so what we are going to do is that instead of the letter, instead of the variable of this equation, I will replace that number, and minus 3 by 4 And now look, 2 ones are and 2 tens are, and this becomes 19 by 10 minus 3 by 4. Now we have to take the LCM carefully, and LCM of 4 and 10 will become 2 twos are and 2 fives are, 5 twos are 10, twos are 20. Okay, 20. Now look here, the denominator is 10 but the LCM is 20. So in order to make the denominator same, I have to multiply 10 by what? That is 2. So I have to multiply the numerator as well by 2 to balance the deficiency and to make the denominator same. Minus 4 how many times is 20? 4 fives are 20 and 3 multiplied by 5. And this will become 38. 38 minus 15 by 20. 38 minus 15, this is 8 minus 5 is 3, and 3 minus 1 is 2. 23 by 20. 23 by 20. As the numerator is larger than denominator, so you must have to convert your answer either in form of the decimal or mixed number. 23 divided by 20, 21s are 20 minus, and I'm left with 3. This is 1 whole 3 by 20. 1 whole 3 by 20, and let's mark it 1 or 2. Now what we have to do, we have to take right hand side. Take right hand side. Right hand side, that is 1 by 3x plus 5 by 6. Students at the junior level are confused about this as well, that this x, where are we going to multiply this x? This x is actually multiplied with the numerator. So instead of x, I have to replace the solution which is given in the question, that is 19 by 20. 19 by 20, 1 by 3 into 19 by 20 plus 5 by 6. Now you are the magicians, students. You have to bring both sides same, but by actual and correct working. This is 19 by 20 times 3 is 60 plus 5 by 6. Now let me check the LCM again. 60 and 6. 6 and 60, 2 threes are, and 2 30 times are. 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6, 3 ones are, and 3 tens are, and this is, I hope, 60. 10 threes are 30, 2s are 60, but let me complete the process here. 2 1 times and 5 1 times. 5 2s are 10, 3s are 30, 2s are 60. So 60 is the LCM here. And now what we have to do is that 60 how many times? LCM and denominator both are same. Numerator will be coming as it is. 6 10 times is 60. 6 10 times is 60. So what we are going to do is 10 will be multiplied by 5. Okay, 19 plus 10 times 5 is 50 by 60. Okay, now 50 plus 10, 60. Let me add over here 19 plus 9 and 69 by 60. And now what we have to do, we have to divide 69 by 60. 60 times 1 is 60, and we are left with 1 whole 9 by 60. Now look, 9 and 60 goes in one table, that is table of 3. 3 threes are, and 3 how many times? 3 twos are, 3 20s are, and this becomes 1 whole 3 by 20. And let me mark it with 2. Okay, if we compare the answer of the left hand side and answer of the right hand side, both the answers are 1 whole 3 by 20. Okay, so from 1 and 2, what can we conclude? From 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we can see that left hand side equals to right hand side. It means that x equals to 19 by 20 is the solution. 19 by 20 is the solution of given equation. I hope, juniors, you are really clear that how we are verifying, how we are deciding that the given value of the variable is the solution of the equation or not. If that value of the variable is the solution of the given equation, then what will happen when we'll be taking any one side of that equation, suppose the right hand side of that equation, and we are replacing that value of the variable in the given equation, the answer will be same as the answer of the right hand side. If both the sides are giving you the same answer by replacing that value of the variable, then that value will be the solution of that equation. I hope, students, you are really clear about today's class. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.